Maayong buntag Bohol, aniya kita karon sa Bohol Panglao International Airport kung diin musugat kita sa first batch of volunteers para sa annual 𝗛𝗛𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 ditoa sa Bohol. Kining proyekto gipanguluhan ni Dr. Lance Lanoy, usa ka Boholano doctor nga nakabase na karon sa United States, kung diin gadala siya og daghan kay volunteers, donors and supporters in partnership kini mga higala sa Bohol Provincial Government sa liderato ni Governor Aris Aumentado. With us friends are two of our volunteers all the way from the United States, and they're so excited to be here in Bohol. Can we have your names, please?
My name is Greta. My name is Mila.
Okay, so what can we expect from your participation as volunteers here for Han Philippines Medical Mission?
I believe I'll be assisting in the pharmacy with my dad, Emil, who will be running it.
I'm going to be giving a talk on psychological first aid, and I'm going to be the head of the youth volunteers.
Wow. Okay, so one last question. What are your expectations? Have you been here? Have you heard about Bohol?
No, I've never been here, but I've heard lots about it. I'm very excited.
Also positive.
Yes, absolutely.
Definitely. How about you?
Yeah, I'm very excited. Not as hot as I thought it would be. Definitely bearable. It's not that bad. I'm very, very excited.
Okay, so it's a change from the very cold and
Yes.
weather.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. One of the founders of Han Philippines Incorporated, based in the United States. Hi, ma'am.
Hello,
What's your name?
Arlene Almazan.
Okay, so is this your first, second, or medical mission here in Bohol?
This is my fourth yata po.
Wow.
Okay.
So what can Boholanos expect from our volunteers from Han Philippines this year? This is, of course, in partnership with the Bohol Provincial Government.
Yes. So, of course, every year that we come to Bohol, we're always grateful to be able to help. And you can expect the same kind of enthusiasm from the people who are coming here. Talagang excited po ang mga taong pumunta dito.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Salamat po.
So we have another delegate, one of the volunteers here for Han Philippines Medical Surgical Dental Mission here in Bohol. Hi, sir. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Okay, so can you tell us more about your participation here? Your what are your area of responsibility?
Sure, I'm a psychiatric nurse practitioner in the United States.
A doctor.
A nurse practitioner.
A nurse practitioner.
Yes, but I will be one of the pharmacists today. We have two teams that will be going out into the community, so I'll be a pharmacy for one of the teams.
Okay, so what are your expectations, or what can Bohol expect from this medical mission this year?
Sure, the medical mission is much bigger than the part that I will be participating in, so there are other teams that are in hospitals and doing surgeries. We'll be in the community doing medical assessments, prescribing medications for conditions such as hypertension, hypothyroidism. So we also have a team that's doing some education on psychological first aid. My daughter will be participating in that. Yeah, so lots of different areas.
Okay, so you're looking forward to this vacation, mission, what have you?
Definitely the mission, yes. Looking forward to seeing the beautiful country and countryside, and being able to help the people that have been, needing help.
And thank you very much for extending your support and the spirit of volunteerism here in Bohol. Daghang salamat.
Salamat po.